Hopdeals.com, our authority equipment remarketing specialist. I'm pleased to offer reference number 22. It's 2013 Mercedes Econic 2629 Bluetec EEV. It's a Euro 5 engine and Allison automatic gearbox. It's a 6x2 rear steer with a Faun variopress body. It has Zoeller split bin lifts that can work as split or trade. It's come to us direct from the council and has only covered 97,000 kilometres. It's tested until the end of March 2020. If you'd like further details on this very clean truck, please contact us on 01430 434 800, email sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out all the latest stock on our website at hopdeals.com.